If you wish to check Instagram login activity via PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open instagram.com and then click on more, and then you can select settings. Now in settings, you can go to the account section, account center, click on see more and account center. Okay. And then click on Instagram, and then here's what you have to see, login activity. So you can click on this option here. You can go to passwords and security and click on where are you are logged in. Okay, now click on Instagram and it will show every situation where you are logged in. Okay, every device that you're logged in and at that exact time where you're logged in. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.